Flip-style foldable phones are on the rise, and Samsung is charging ahead with the first hints of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 set to emerge in July 2024. The Korean tech giant recently launched its latest flagship, the Galaxy Flip 6, featuring impressive upgrades like a 50-megapixel camera, increased battery capacity, and the introduction of Galaxy AI. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 marks the next generation of this innovative line, which began in 2020, proving that phones don't have to be mere slabs of glass. This model showcases a market for unique designs, offering a compact external screen for quick tasks and a larger internal screen for immersive smartphone experiences. So, when can we expect the launch of Samsung's next flip phone? The Galaxy Z Flip 4 debuted during the August 10, 2022 Galaxy Impact event. With a release on August 26, 2022, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 was announced on July 26, 2023, during a historic Galaxy Impact event in South Korea, launching on August 11th. Fast forward to July 10, 2024, when the Galaxy Z Flip 6 was announced, followed by its release on July 24th. Looking ahead, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is anticipated to launch in July 2025, continuing Samsung's consistent flip line launch pattern over the past 4 years. Expect the Galaxy Z Flip 7 to drop around mid-July 2025. As for pricing, considering the recent increase for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, now priced at $1,100, a similar or even higher starting price for the upcoming model seems likely. We predict the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could launch at around $1,200 or more. Stay tuned for the latest updates on Samsung's next foldable marvel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications for new uploads.